Sa ganda mong taglay, sila'y maaakit kapag tinapuan ng tanaw. Mabibighani ang sinumang sisilay. ¿Quién es ella? La Bulaqueña. Wari mo ay buhay na obra, hinaling tulad kay Maria Clara. Sino ka ba sa buhay ni Luna? ¿Quién es ella? La Bulaqueña. Larawan ng dalagang Pilipina. Sa barot sayang walang kaparis, taglay mo ay gandang walang kawangis. Isang mahiwagang dilag na ang ngalan ay di ko alam. Sino ka nga ba, La Bulaqueña? Kailan kaya kita makikilala? ¿Quién es ella? La Bulaqueña. Wari mo ay buhay na obra, hinaling tulad kay Maria Clara. Sino ka ba sa buhay ni Luna? Sino ka nga ba, La Bulaqueña? Kailan kaya kita makikilala? Kapag tinapuan ng tanaw, mabibighani ang sino mang sisilay. Sino ka ba? ¿Quién es ella? La Bulaqueña. Pilipina. Sa barot sayang walang kaparis, taglay mo ay gandang walang kawangis. Isang mahiwagang dilag na ang ngalan ay di ko alam. Sino ka nga ba, La Bulaqueña? Kailan kaya kita makikilala?
This night gently fades and my birthday comes to a close, I want to pause just for a moment and hold everything in my heart to say thank you sa lahat ng narito ngayon, my family, my relatives, and my closest friends. Your presence means more than I could ever put into words. Hindi lang ito simpleng pagdalo. You chose to be here to celebrate this moment with me. And that alone is a gift I will treasure for the rest of my life. At sa lahat ng pumulong para mabuo ang gabing ito, maraming salamat. Every detail, every effort, every little thing, the night became beautiful because of you. 18. A number I used to imagine from afar, yet here it is finally mine. Parang kahapon lang I was a child, carefree, full of laughter, finding joy in the simplest things. And now, I stand here on the edge of something new, something unknown, with dreams in my heart and a future quietly waiting for me. Sa mga taong gumabay sa akin habang ako'y lumalaki, to my lolas and lolo in heaven, Mama Jeline, Mommy Be, and Papa Monching, kahit wala kayo dito physically, I feel you in every step I take. In every decision, every courage I find, nandyan kayo. Your love never left. It only became something I carry within me. To Inang and Papa Unyol, thank you for loving me in a way that never changed, for being my safe place in the world that keeps changing. Dahil sa inyo, I always know where home is, and that I will never be alone. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. And to the two people who gave me life, my mommy April and daddy Kitmon, no words will ever truly be enough. Hindi ko man palaging nasasabi, but I see everything, every sacrifice, Every silent struggle, every sleepless night, you carried all of it for me, so I could stand here today. Because of you, I am not only who I am, but also who I am becoming. I am your daughter, and I am proud, always, always proud. As I begin this new chapter of my life, I carry all of you within me, in my heart, in my dreams, and every step I will take moving forward. This is me at 18, a little scared, a little stronger, but full of gratitude, full of hope, and ready to grow into the person I am meant to be. Maraming salamat, and mahal na mahal ko po kayong lahat.